So it's Sunday morning, and I'm going to hit Miller's Flea Market, walk around, see what we can find. It's a nice, brisk 73 degrees, no humidity. It's cloudy though. All right, let's go look around. Now, I brought you here before when it was a lot cooler. I think that was probably wintertime, but it is still summer. And yeah, let's see what treasures we might be able to find here today. Of course, you're gonna have your tools, things like that for sure. This gentleman here, he always has some cool toys, so I'm gonna check out his area. He's right there. I'll check this out. That's pretty cool looking. He does a lot of estate sales. I love that. But yeah, sometimes you can find some cool stuff here. He's got the LPs. He also has a lot of tools. He also got cassettes and 8-tracks. Look at that. Those come back in style big time. He's got cool equipment here for musicians. And check out that Avengers wall decoration. That's cool. Number 141. Let's get some Marks stuff here. Look at the KFC guy. Colonel's right here. 15 for him. Oh, there's Arnie. Oh, we got some cool plushies here. Some classics. Charlie McCartney. Check him out. Wow. Alright, I'm going to go through some of this and get some bunch of Lucy's. I got some more modern day Joes here and all their weapons. I always look at these because you never know what you might find. You could find something cool. Like a big gem or something kind of stuck in there. All the weapons too. Look at the is that Carnage? I don't know who that is. I guess it is. And Galacticus. A lot of little Lucy's right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go through this and see what we might find. Let's get some Tyco slot cars here. That's cool. Still in the box. Talking football game, the magnetic ones. Get the TCR slot game too. That's cool. Still in box. But yeah, that Colonel was kind of torn up. But so he's still pulling out stuff. He's found some cool stuff here. That's pretty neat. And they're still pulling out stuff here. Toys and collectibles and a lot of die cast. Yeah, we'll have to go through all this stuff. It's Cat Castle. I always check out the outside first. Then of course we'll go inside in just a minute. A couple cool booths in there I like to go to all the time. They have a Stitch and Pikachu hats and stuff, and Hello Kitty. Nice. Not much out here. A lot of clothes and tools, things like that. It is windy too. It's going like crazy. Yeah, I'm just scamming over everything. Got leather stuff here, belts. So they also have shoes, clothing, lots of clothing. Yeah, let's we're gonna head on inside. This is one of my favorite booths right here. He's got all kinds of cool collectibles. Toys, games. Yeah, a little bit of everything. He's been here for a long time too. Check it out. Yeah, he's got a great selection of games. He had also the VHS, the Batman. A lot of VHS. Yeah, great stuff. Be sure to also look up at the ceiling too, on the walls. You might miss something. He's got it here. Got all the Transformers, He-Man, a little bit of everything. That is for sure. And check down here too, the bins. Got some good deals too. And I found this Street Shark. Yeah, I got a good deal on him. $10. That's not bad at all. But yeah, you gotta look careful. I kind of found him stuck back there, but try not to get demonetized all the music playing. But yeah, my first little find today. And I've been doing crazy stuff with the Street Sharks, that's for sure. And you can find little treasures like this, the Battlestar Galactica figure, Starbuck, and the Commander there. That's cool. I like that he's got a parts box. Check that out. Yeah, you find your shoes, boots, and accessories for your figures right in here. So you gotta look carefully. Yeah, he's got all kinds of miscellaneous stuff all in here. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff for your toys. You got trolls down there. Yeah, you know, look at these little boxes. Them all underneath the tables. Yeah, you try to utilize all the space in this little area. And if you're interested in the game, yeah, you can test it out right here as well. He also has some game systems for sale in his inventory. Yeah, I love his booth. It's pretty cool. All kinds of treasures. Now, sometimes you'll find booths like this. Yeah, all the stuff like this. You'll find like knockoffs sometimes, and sometimes the knockoffs are worth more than the originals. So be sure to check them out as well. Yeah, you can find stuff. And then over here, he mainly does Hot Wheels and cars. But right here, and sometimes you can find some figures. Yeah, we'll check him out and see what he's got. And we are at the Toy Barn. This is his booth here at Miller's. So be sure to check it out. He's got a lot of toy goodness, and he's got a lot of Matchbox and die-cast all in here. So be sure to check it out. Also, he's got Lucy's down here. So, yeah, he's been here a long time, and be sure to check him out. He's got wrestling figures, too, right over here. He's got a lot of awesome collectibles here, some rare cars as well. So be sure to check out those showcases. And he's also, behind me, got a wall of Hot Wheels. There we go. Look at all that goodness. And he's got also boxed Transformers here, still in their boxes. Very nice. Yeah, I love his Transformers right here. Nicely displayed. And check out the giant Deadpool. Yeah, Brian owns that booth, and he's really nice, and he's got a great collection, especially Hot Wheels, so he deals mainly in the cars. Yeah, and I bought plenty of socks here before. You get great deals on socks. Plenty of socks and underwear. And this gentleman here, he's got some really cool toys. Check that out. Little RCs. And check out all his plushies. Yeah, you'll find booths like this. Not many though, but yeah, he's got some great stuff here. I like that Sonic the Hedgehog set. Yeah, I'm looking at these pins. These are great. They're 3 for $20, 1 for $6, but she's got a great selection here. Look at all these. Wow. Pretty amazing. She got some great characters too. Love it. And I think they're called punch, but these are the pins for your Crocs. And how much those run?
1 for 2, 2 for 3, 4 for 5, and 10 for 10.
Wow. Okay. So she got all kinds of choices. Yeah, she's got a great selection here. And we're in the second building now. Check all the safety equipment out. Got the shade hats too, if you're working outside. And you do have your Army surplus booth here. You got a bunch of stuff. Look at all that. Got a ghillie suit. That's awesome. Now, this booth here is called My Angel Michael. She's always got some great toys here. She's got a lot of anime statues as well. Look at all that goodness. I'll walk over here and look. Yeah, check that out. A lot of anime stuff. A lot to choose from. My Angel Michael is the booth. I think it's in building 2. Walk over here too and just look at all this. Yeah, she's got some really nice stuff. She has a lot of RC stuff too, cars. Yeah. Nerf guns. Walk over here. Yeah, she's got some nice little toys here, so be sure to check her out. Look at this right here, a little army set. Cool stuff. So her booth, actually, she's in building E. So the letter, not numbered. And I found O here, and this is O's booth. He does a lot of gaming, retro stuff. Show us your booth.
What's going on? It's O from Single Pistol Gamers. Got a lot of DS stuff. I haven't hooked up the Wii right now.
Right.
Also sell handhelds. Got some classics such as Digimon right here.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a rare one. That's a really fun game. Also got some PS5 at the top, Funkos. And I like to mix up little technology, so charge stations and all kind of stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
Got the collectible cards in the front and games in the front.
Nice. How long you been here, O?
Oh, about 3 years.
3 years?
Yes.
Yeah, I love these retro games too. And it looks like some people can play the games too?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So I keep them on display just in case before you want to purchase it.
Oh, okay.
So this is the Retron 2. It plays Super Nintendo and Nintendo.
Nice. And what I'll do is he has a YouTube channel. In the description, I'll have your YouTube channel, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by.
Awesome. And O was a really nice guy. I love promoting small businesses and encouraging people to come out to the flea markets and checking them out. But he's got a lot of great games there, so check his booth out. Now this booth here, I have found really cool stuff here. Not much today, but I've seen some really cool knockoffs here too, like Star Wars stuff. Kind of like these guys, kind of knockoff Robot War right here, kind of Transformer looking figures. They got a nice booth here too. Check this out. Wow, she's still pulling out stuff too. And you can tell what buildings are if you look up there. Like this is building I, where she's setting up over there where I just showed you that booth with all the plushies and stuff. They got some Transformers in there too. And I just picked up this Micronaut. $4, which I was happy about. It's all die cast, one of the metal ones, not the plastic ones. And I believe his jetpack still works. Yeah, it does. My hand's just blocking it. It locks in. But what I'm missing here, I just need his helmet. I can usually find those on eBay. It is blustery. Hope you can hear me. So this is I. So we're going to M over here. It's like the last buildings on the back end. It's like they're all in rows. So, and I'm just skimming over each table, kind of looking at each one. But yeah, it's kind of cool finding that Micronaut. I see a lot of booths like this with sunglasses and wallets. Look at mattresses. And, yeah, we're going to decay now. We're almost done. All kinds of stuff for your telephones, all the cases. More plushies and toys right here. Yeah, that's cool. And I love the banner on the side of this van. Found some Dark Water figures. Check them out. The packaging's in pretty bad shape though. Oh yeah, they're out here at the flea market. Yeah, I picked up this Biker Mice Bendy here for $5. Yeah, it's not too bad of shape. Fun to add to the collection, and I also like supporting the businesses out here too. So it was fun out here at Miller's flea market. Had a good time, but I showed you what I picked up, and also picked up Jab from Street Sharks. Yeah, so get it for $10. I'm gonna clean him up. Yeah, just cleaning him up make a big difference too, and so I was happy to get him. All right, guys, you take care. Hope you enjoyed my visit back here at Miller's flea market. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.